Hi and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2013 Ford Kuga Titanium four-wheel drive. Now this we've had the pleasure of supplying to the previous owner, and he's just swapped it back in with us for a new vehicle. Now the family that bought this vehicle off us in January 2018, they've had probably 5 or 6 cars off Alpha Motors now. We sold it in January 18 with 49,000 miles on. If you have a look at the picture in the service book, you'll see that, and then it's been serviced and maintained then by the local MOT station and service station down the road. Now the car is in wonderful order, 61,000 miles, and she's finished in Panther black. So 49,000 miles ago, 4 years, and it's now only done 61. So it's only done 12,000 miles in 4 years. This was a second vehicle, actually. It was the wife's vehicle, shall we say, without sounding rude, and only really did the school runs and popping around, and then they used the larger car for weekends. So the car has the appearance pack. Now the appearance pack is the 19-inch alloy wheels, and then also then the privacy glass in that vehicle. The Panther black metallic paint is in great condition all the way around, to consider that this is a 9-year-old vehicle, and it comes complete with all the book pack, the 2 keys, and a set of floor mats. So everything that was with it when it was new 9 years ago is still here today. All the wheels are in great condition. I'm riding on well, really good tyres, to be honest, and they're, as I say, 19-inch. Down the sides of the vehicle, very, very nice. Our dent man will go around the vehicle, take any little imperfections out, but a lovely car. The Titanium is the fully loaded vehicle, so you get half leather seats, you get the roof rails in silver and the trims in chrome. When you come round the rear of the vehicle, then you get the twin tailpipes, and you get a fantastically large boot on one of these. Roller shutter, roller blind covers up the load space, but look at that. You'll fit anything and everything in there. If you've got a family, these are a very, very good car. And then we get a spare wheel as well, which is a bonus in today's market. Just roll that back, lock it in place, and nobody sees what's in the boot. Obviously it's got privacy glass, so that does add to that, and we also have reverse parking sensors, which will help you. But width-wise, the same size realistically as a Ford Focus. Obviously this is Ford's SUV. Very nice indeed. Now inside the vehicle, on a titanium model, we get the half leather seats, as you can see, and they're in super condition. I'd have to say this is probably as good as I've seen on a 2013 in a very, very long time. Ford's technological tech in the car is fantastic. So we get 4 electric windows, central door locking, electric mirrors. Kick plates are then in satin silver, and they say Kuga, with it being the titanium model. Automatic headlamps, front spot lamps as well. Now this is a keyless car, so we've got 2 keys here, as you can see. Pop them in there, dip the clutch, and then you have a start button there, press that, and she jumps into life. We have no warning lights on the dashboard. We get the SONY CD system there, as you can see. Very, very nice sound. Digital climate control and a heated front windscreen for winter. Heated back windscreen, air conditioning system. Cruise control and speed limiter, and obviously this is Ford's voice sync, so we can use the commands. 61,966 miles, so very, very nice mileage. We've got DAB on the radio, and obviously you can also have it on Bluetooth, so as I press the buttons on the Sony system, it changes, searching for paired phones. We've not paired anything, but a very, very nice system on these. But yeah, CD player in there as well. And then coming down, then this is a cup holder or ashtray. You then can have your coffee cups in there, and we've got a USB and an auxiliary and another cup holder and storage in that centre arm. The passenger seat is in superb order also. As I say, there is nothing on this vehicle which would detract from owning it. Have a look at the service history on the vehicle. The paperwork is all up to date. There's a receipt for the last 4 services, as well as a stamped book. Yeah, I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper, well, they don't smoke. But a lovely, lovely example. Leather trim on the steering wheel as well is really nice in the hand. But a very, very nice cabin indeed. In the rear, we've got some lovely spacious seats. As I say, look how wide that rear door opens, so if you have got younger children, very easy to get in and out. And the back chairs are then Isofix. 3 adults will sit in there with ease and comfort, and you've got lots of space then for leg room. The centre armrest, as I say, the boot and the height of the head is nice. We've got the lighter roof lining, which just makes it that little bit, gives a feel of a larger space. So, what a wonderful example. 2 keys, full book pack, 9 services in the service book, just been MOT'd and serviced in December of 21. A lovely, lovely car. Now, if you would like to reserve this, we can take a £250 reservation fee, and that will take it off sale, and then we'll prepare it to the highest of standards here in Wigan, so you only have to come and visit us once. Have a look on our reviews, have a look on our social media page, Facebook, Instagram. You'll see customers from all over the UK coming collecting cars from us. We're a 40-year-old family business, and we have some great cars, great prices. But what more can I say? What a lovely 2013 Ford Kuga. There's myself, Graham, there's Lee, and there's Dominic on sales. Either one of us will be happy to help. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll give you a price over the phone, and that's the cost to change. Very easy, very simple, and lots of fun. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.